Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening camera controls and confirming bindings so nothing blocks your path. First, open Options, then Controls, and locate Camera Assignments. This prevents surprises. Once done, switch to your active control profile, keyboard, joystick, or Xbox controller, and test the basic view keys quickly. If a binding is missing, assign a key now. This step matters because starting with correct assignments saves time and stops conflicts when you change complex views later. Next, customize the views you'll actually use in flight so you can focus on flying, not fiddling. Open Cockpit or External, then tweak FOV, tilt, and zoom to match your preference. Saving each configuration as a custom camera preset gives you repeatable results. For efficiency, map quick views to number keys or controller buttons. This makes switching instant. Also adjust head tracking or mouse look sensitivity once calibrated. These settings keep your head movements natural and predictable during maneuvers. Finally, validate your camera setup by testing each saved view during taxi, takeoff, and cruise to ensure visibility and control. If a view resets or behaves oddly, make sure the correct control profile is active and look for conflicting bindings. Often another profile overrides your camera keys. If corruption occurs, reset cameras to default, then reapply your saved custom presets. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle between profiles once to force the simulator to reload bindings. This resolves most lingering view conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.